show cause order versus viral teacher issued. So this while in the school's division superintendent. We confirmed that this is a public school teacher. Of course, she's also entitled, meron din siyang karapatan sa due process. So we are giving her due process para sagutin anuman ang yung mga complaints na yan at ang ating regional office ay nakapag-start na ng procedures based on existing DepEd rules on administrative cases, the education official said. In the viral video, the teacher whose identity was not disclosed to the media was seen berating and talking down someone. We don't want the teacher to be subject to public scrutiny now that the admin process has started, Bringas said. The video has prompted the DepEd to open an investigation. When asked what was the reason for the teacher's outburst, Bringas said a group of students allegedly made some remarks so personal to the teacher. Parang meron yatang nabanggit yung certain group of mag-aaral or students about personal issue about the teacher. Parang she was disappointed na may or frustrated na may ganong remarks siyang narinig from one or two of the learners. Kaya ganun ang kanyang galit, Bringas stated. Hindi ako nag-board exam para lang hindi respeto ng mga katulad niyong wala pa namang nararating sa buhay. Hindi na nga kayo matalino, sama pa ng ugali ninyo, the teacher was heard saying in the video. I didn't take the board exam just to be disrespected by people like you who haven't achieved anything yet in life. You are not even smart and you have a bad attitude. Asked if the teacher indeed scolded her students inside the classroom, Bringas said it has yet to be determined. That will be ascertained upon verification of the submitted reply of the teacher, he said. He added that DepEd's regional office will handle the investigation once the teacher has responded to the order. The DepEd issued its child protection policy on 2012, which states that any act by deeds or words that debases, degrades, or demeans the intrinsic worth and dignity of a child as a human being is considered child abuse. The DepEd official has also emphasized that a teacher cannot do Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at pakikinig. Once again, El Maestro. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!
1, 2, 3.